Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Transition. Previously we discussed about some features of ECMAScript 2015. We will discuss more about ECMAScript 2015, and so let's get started. Today we will discuss about template literals, okay, or template string. Previously it was known as template string, later then it was renamed to template literals. Okay, what is template literals? Let's see an example. Before showing how it works and how we can write template literals or template string, I want to show you same thing, how we can do that in JavaScript, normal JavaScript. Let's take an example. Let name one is John, and another name, let name 2 is Mac. Okay, so I just want to print both of the name using console.log. I'm just hey and giving name 1 plus space plus space and space, and concatenating another name 2 plus, see, hey John and Mac. So we need to concat these into our string. Okay, so here I will show you how we can use the template literal and how we can pass the name dynamically without concatenating the string with the variable or something else. Okay, so template literals are written inside backtick. You can google it also. So we can write it inside backtick. So let's see how we can use template literal. Okay, console dot log backtick hey space, and here is the magic, dollar curly braces start name 1 curly braces end space and space again dollar curly braces start name 2 curly braces end and dot and backtick again to close that expression. Okay, so here is the magic, you will get the same output. Okay, and this is called template literal or string literal. Okay, by using backtick we can access all the variables, or we can write any expression of JavaScript inside the backtick. Okay, let's say backtick, if I want to run a JavaScript code like alert and backtick again, see, high alert. Okay, so you can write any JavaScript code inside the template literal. Okay, so it was the simple string interpolation. Okay, template literals are string literals allowing embedded expression. You can use multi-line string and string interpolation features with them. Okay, so template literal, how we can use template literal, I already discussed in the example. Okay, so why we use the template literal? To embed the expression, or inside the expression whatever you can write. Okay, so you can also use a multi-line string by using template literal. See how we can use the multi-line template literal, multi-line string. So in normal case, how we can use console, if I want to print a multi-line script, a multi-line message, so how we can use it? Console hello friends. Okay, now I want to add hello friends, how are you? Either you will write a new line character, new line, okay, how are you all, or let's let it be. See, we have multi-line message. Okay, by using a normal JavaScript or normal way. Okay, so how we can get such this kind of output? By using template literal. Let's see, console log, I'm using backtick again, and hello friends dot dot dot, and I'm just hitting enter. So hello friends, how are you, and I am closing the backtick again. Now hit enter. See, you got the same answer in multi-line. Okay, and we can use it for multi-line output. See, template literals are enclosed by backtick, as already said, characters inside instead of double or single quotes. Okay, you don't need to use any double quote or single quote for any string literal. Okay, you just put your template literal inside the backtick. Okay, second thing, to escape backtick you need to put a backslash before the backtick. If you want to give a backtick in your message or in your template literal, so you just need to put a backslash before the backtick. Let's see an example for this also. So what I am going to do, I'm just going to do some escape of backtick. Let escape backtick equal to, I am writing here, hi how are you, but I want to give a name here. Let me zoom it. Here, how are you? Here, hi, how are you? I just want to give a name in a backtick. I want to show hi John or hi Mac, okay, and want to escape the backtick, then I need to put the backslash before a backtick, before using a backtick. So I want to both the backtick should be escaped, so I need to put the backslash before the backtick, okay, and just hit enter and print the escape. See, we got the backtick also. So that was the escaping of backtick. How we can escape the backtick in template literals. Okay, so I already told you how to write the multi-line. Okay, now expression interpolation. What is this now? Expression interpolation. Expression interpolation is the use of template literal with the expression language or with any expression, whatever you want to add, multiply or something else. See, let's see the example. Let x or say a equal to 1 and let b equal to 9 and let it be, and I am just saying that some stuff equal to, I am using here template literal, okay, so I am using backtick to write any expression. Sum equal to sum of a plus b and I am just multiplying it with 2. So how we can achieve this expression inside a template literal? Let's see. Just put a dollar symbol and curly braces and put your expression inside this. You will get your answer. Let's see some stuff. See, what is the answer? Sum of 2 multiplied by a plus b equal to 20. So you can use expression, any expression in string literal or template literal. Okay, moving to the next, nesting templates. You can also use template literal inside a template literal. Okay, you can use a template inside a template, that is called nesting template. How we can write it or how we can use it? Let's see. Let me zoom my window once again and let me clear out this. So we are talking about nesting. How we can achieve this? Let's see. Let something or let some message sum of two plus 1. I am just using 2 multiplied by sum of this. I am just want to show you something like this, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1. Okay, so in this I will put a nested template literal. So let's see. First multiplied by second template literal. See, second template literal I started here. Again expression, what I need to do here, 2 plus 1, closing the nested template literal and closing the main template literal and closing the backtick. Let's see what will be the output of some message. See here we used a nested template literal, a template literal inside a template literal. So you can use a nesting template literal, that is tag template. This is a very powerful change in ECMAScript or in JavaScript, you can say. What is tag template? Let's see a definition of this. What is this? After all, tags allow you to parse template literals with a function. Means tags can be used to parse a template literal inside a function or with a function. Okay, the first argument of tag function contains an array of string. Means the first argument of tag function will be the array of string values. Okay, array of string values, and the remaining arguments will be expression or related to a expression. So how we can use a tag template? Let's see. I'm just creating a template function new tag, and I'm just passing a string, and let's suppose age and name. Okay, and starting this, I'm taking the string 1 or let's say let it be age only. I'm saying this first name equal to string 0th position, and let last name string first position, and return start template literal first name last name and age. Okay, I made something wrong here. Call this function new tag. How we can call this function? We will not use any parenthesis while calling this kind of tag function. We just start passing our argument with the backtick or template literal. So let me zoom this. I think this should. So start of expression template literal, and saying age of Vijay Kumar is 30. Let me modify this once again, Vijay, and I'm just putting this here so that okay. So what should I get? I will get, let's see, let hit the enter. Age of Vijay Kumar is 30. So that's the magic. We have not used any parenthesis while calling the function. We just need to use the template literal, that is called tag template, and pass the template literal. Okay, so hope you understand how to use this. Raw string access, the special raw property that is available on the first argument of the tag function. Okay, so the first argument of tag function, you can access that the first argument as a raw string, means you can escape the new line character or tab character or something, some other special character, that is escaping character, like backslash s or backslash and something like this. So how we can do this, or how we can access the raw string? Raw string function I'm taking the first position to be escape. Okay, and now call starting of template literal. Hi, new line. Hi friends, again new line. How are you? Closing the back. I misspelled it. See, we escape the first position of the new line character. Okay, in this will bypass or skip all the new line character or space or some special escaping character like carriage return or okay. So this was the raw string. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you really like my video or understand my concept, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my videos.